Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make your vocal breaks sound smooth and easy with just 3 simple exercises. Just before we start, if you want more vocal warm-ups and vocal tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Are you ready? Let's dive in. If your voice cracks when you sing, that little flip between low and high notes, don't worry. This is your vocal break. Of course, we can fix it by using easy sounds that help your voice stay relaxed and connected. The first exercise is called the hum slide. Close your lips gently and say, You should feel a small buzz around your lips and your nose. That's good. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Yes. Now slide your voice from a low note to a high note, like this. Keep it light. Don't push. Let's do the humming slide together. If you keep it light, it's gonna be okay. Nice and easy. Feel that smooth movement. Relax your face. This simple humming slide warms up your whole vocal range and helps your voice blend from low to high. Now let's try a gentle humming on a fifth. Nice. One more. Place the straw between your lips. Keep your lips soft. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Now let's slide your voice up and down. This vocal exercise helps your breath and your voice work together. If you don't have a straw, just make a small shape with your lips and do the same thing. trills or lip bubbles. Blow air through your lips and make them vibrate like this. If your voice feels lighter right now, that means it's working. Nice work! Which exercise was your favorite? Drop a comment and let me know what you think. If you want to warm up your voice, you can click on this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!